So I don't know about you, but I have spent the day, well, I should say morning, organising just some little bits and bobs before I really kind of get into really doing any type of fabrication. I've organised all my cutting discs, grinding, sanding, you name it. These things are pretty cute, aren't they? Um, my dust masks, wire wheels, whatever you have it, it's there. Um, Also broke out the little label maker and started labeling all my sanding pads. Goes from 40 to 3,000. And then just masonry or, um, tile stuff. And there's probably another maybe bracket or whatever you want to call that to go over there for the rest of them. But yeah, I think this is just a really super easy, cheap way, to organize just random stuff as well. Even like I don't, golf balls for handles for files and stuff like that. You're not going to put that in your toolbox. So it's just a really budget friendly way to organize, and you can color code as well. Plus, also, like I said, you can label and visually see from eye, okay, well, I need a 80 grit. Okay, where's 80? Right here. So, these one little kit from Kogan, from Dick Smith, from eBay, from any supplier online is relatively cheap. I think I picked one kit up recently and I think it was like 18, and I believe I picked another one up on sale on eBay a year and a half ago. I think it was like $13, and I think I bought 5 or 6 of them just because it was that cheap. Even that there, like, little paintbrushes. Like I said, you're not going to put that in your toolbox, but you never know when you need a little brush. So just random stuff that's really visual to the eye, but you've got a place for it, like tire repair kit. So yeah, I don't know. That's my way of organising little bits and bobs on the wall. Someone else might have, another better way. I've also got a cabinet there, which I'll probably end up putting something in. But yeah, anyway, if you've got any other suggestions, then feel free to leave them in the comment section down below.